Hey you! I will show you as quick as possible how to create an Indeed account. First of all, go to Indeed.com and then we do continue with Google and then select the Google account where you want to log in with. Right now, these are correct details, so now we do continue. And then right now, he asks us to fill in our phone number. We will do this. Then we do verify, text me, fill in the code that you received on your phone. Then we do submit. Then we do not now. Hey, and there it is, our Indeed account. So now you have a lot of settings right here that you can change, but this is how you can create your Indeed account. So from here it will start and you can set up your account. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.